No gym? No problem. You can still build big, strong arms right at home with just a pair of dumbbells. You don't need fancy machines, just the right exercises and consistency. These 6 exercises will help you make your arms bigger in 30 days. Stay consistent, focus on proper form, and push yourself every workout. Now grab your dumbbells and follow along.
Chin up. The chin up is the most effective bodyweight exercise for building bigger, stronger biceps while also training your lats and forearms. Grab the bar with an underhand grip, hands about shoulder width apart. Start from a dead hang. Brace your core and pull your chest toward the bar by driving your elbows down. Lower yourself slowly until your arms are fully extended. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 12 reps, resting 90 to 120 seconds between sets. If you can't complete 6 reps, use resistance bands or perform negative chin-ups. Avoid swinging your body, using momentum, shrugging your shoulders, or doing partial reps. Control both the lifting and lowering phases, taking about 1 second up and 2 to 3 seconds down. Focus on squeezing your biceps at the top for maximum muscle activation and better arm growth. Dumbbell biceps curl. The dumbbell biceps curl is one of the best isolation exercises for increasing biceps size and strength. Stand tall with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward, and keep your elbows close to your sides throughout the movement. Curl the weights until your biceps are fully contracted, then slowly lower them under control. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Use a tempo of 1 second up and 2 to 3 seconds down to maximize muscle tension. Avoid swinging your body, lifting your elbows forward, using excessive weight, or rushing the lowering phase. Keep your wrists neutral and squeeze your biceps hard at the top of every repetition. Choosing a weight that challenges the final few reps while maintaining perfect form will produce the best results. Hammer curl. The hammer curl targets the brachialis and brachioradialis, adding thickness to your upper arms and improving forearm strength. Hold the dumbbells with your palms facing each other and keep your elbows pinned to your sides. Curl both dumbbells until they reach shoulder height. Pause briefly, then lower them slowly. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Follow a controlled tempo of 1 second up and 2 to 3 seconds down for maximum effectiveness. Avoid using momentum, shrugging your shoulders, flaring your elbows, or lifting weights that force poor technique. Keep your wrists neutral and squeeze the muscles throughout every repetition. Consistent, controlled reps build thicker arms far better than heavy, sloppy curls. Bench dip. The bench dip is an excellent bodyweight exercise for developing all 3 heads of the triceps. Place your hands on a sturdy bench or chair with your fingers pointing forward. Extend your legs and slowly lower your body until your elbows reach about a 90-degree angle. Press through your palms to return to the starting position. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Use a tempo of 1 second up and 2 to 3 seconds down down to keep constant tension on the triceps. Avoid dropping too low, flaring your elbows excessively, shrugging your shoulders, or bouncing at the bottom. Keep your chest lifted and elbows pointing backward to reduce shoulder strain and maximize triceps activation. The dumbbell kickback is one of the best isolation exercises for building the triceps, especially the long head, which adds size and definition to the back of your arms. Hold a dumbbell in one hand, bend forward with your back flat, keep your upper arm close to your body, and extend your elbow until your arm is fully straight. Pause and squeeze your triceps for 1 to 2 seconds at the top, then slowly lower the weight over 2 to 3 seconds to maximize muscle tension. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps with a weight that allows perfect form. Avoid swinging the dumbbell, moving your upper arm, using momentum, or rushing the movement, as these mistakes reduce triceps activation and increase injury risk. Keep your core tight, shoulders stable, and focus on controlled, full-range repetitions for the best muscle growth and strength gains. The standing French press is one of the best exercises for building bigger triceps, especially the long head, which gives your arms most of their size. Hold one dumbbell with both hands and lift it overhead. Keep your elbows close to your head and pointing upward throughout the movement. Slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head until you feel a deep stretch, then press it back up to the starting position. Focus on control and full range of motion. Don't rush. Get a deep stretch at the bottom and squeeze your triceps at the top. Avoid flaring your elbows outward, as this reduces effectiveness and can strain your joints. Keep your core tight and don't arch your lower back. Perform 10 to 12 reps for each set, completing a total of 3 sets. Take a 60 seconds rest between sets. Follow a steady tempo. Lower your body in 2 seconds and push back up in 1 second.